You may notice that the Chromebook keyboard does not have a caps lock or a delete key. There are keyboard shortcuts that allow you to do the same things. Press the Alt and backspace key to serve as the delete function. Press the Alt and search key simultaneously to turn on the caps lock feature. Press it again to turn it off. In addition, there are many more helpful keyboard shortcuts. Pressing Control, Alt, and the question mark simultaneously will give you a list of all the keyboard shortcuts.